Welcome to Mr. Tech. Today we're diving into the world of daring lumberjacks, proving that skill and a little luck go a long way. Let's get started. I think humans should not cut trees that are older than them. Seems like they forgot the timber part. That was a close one. Wow, that was a lightning-fast reply. Who would have thought that just a few extra feet of rope could change everything?
Как вот этому-то ведюху показывал.
Ой, да, он ее подвязал. Да ну нахуй.
That car's streak of luck just came to an end. Talk about bad timing and worse location. Tree removal experts exist for a reason. This isn't some DIY job, people. This is absolutely mind-blowing. The skill and precision it takes to work at that height, in those conditions, with a chainsaw. Never let them know your next move. Keeping sight lines clear and reducing storm hazards in cities requires smart vegetation management. The key? Proper pruning and removal. And that Tiger Cat? Top of the line. Its power to agility ratio is unbeatable for this kind of job. Oh wow, this RT400 is an absolute monster. I can't help but feel a little bad for the trees that are about to meet their match. This has to be the most powerful and efficient mulcher out there.
There it goes.
Nature sure has a way of messing with us. Maybe he's just a casual weekend guy who didn't really plan this out. Hey folks, have you ever had something completely take over your yard? And no, I don't mean a couple of pesky weeds. I'm talking about a massive log. Hey loggers, is your harvester falling short? Meet the HSM 405H, powerful, stable, and built for tough jobs. Let's chat about how it can level up your operation. Is the wood really that heavy, or is the snow just insanely slippery? Y'all, I gotta be honest, I've watched that video at least 10 times already. That jump cut was absolutely flawless. We've all had days like that, haven't we? Luckily, the only thing that took a hit was her pride. Well, and maybe the tree's feelings. Oh, and don't worry, no saws were harmed. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. If we witnessed this scene in real life, the sheer scale of the logs in the Mack truck would be absolutely overwhelming for everyone.
Holy shit. Oh my god.
Perfect falling tree. Stump boss Leotid stood out to me because of their commitment to eco-friendly land clearing. Rather than leaving behind messy craters or burning waste, they repurposed stumps and overgrowth into nutrient-rich mulch. Their method supports sustainable land management by improving soil health and reducing environmental harm. This video gives a look inside modern sawmills, where an industrial conveyor system swiftly turns logs into lumber. Watch as raw timber moves toward the saw, which slices it into uniform planks with precision and speed. Funny how luck always seems to make up for a little clumsiness, huh? The NTB wood sawing system from Japan is redefining speed and efficiency in the lumber industry. As the fastest twin-band saw in its class, it processes logs in just 18.5 seconds. With pre-log ready 30, gets the job done efficiently, even on the hardest projects. The ZL-157, a Soviet-era 6x6 truck renowned for its off-road prowess, makes quick work of this stump. Its powerful 110 horsepower engine and robust winching system generate the necessary force to extract even the most stubborn root systems.
Yes!
The NHS 450F is a smart investment in renewable energy. With its powerful capacity and output, it maximizes biomass production, perfectly matching the increasing need for sustainable fuel sources. Cutting down a tree is tough, no matter if you're an expert or a beginner. A trip to Holzschucker Anton Lowe and his Ardennes draft horses showcases the craftsmanship of logging with these strong animals. With 4 experts, 2 majestic horses, a skilled handler, and a talented cameraman, the heart of this time-honored tradition is brought to life. The horses' commitment and eagerness to work are truly inspiring. The Valmet, immobilized by heavy snow accumulation, was facing a critical mobility challenge. However, the TDT-55, with its superior traction and power capabilities, successfully extracted the vehicle, mitigating the risk of prolonged stranding. The Vermeer WC2500XL is a powerhouse. With 600 horsepower from a Cummins QSX-15 engine and Tier 4 final compliance, it delivers impressive chipping performance temperatures and snow-covered hills with its robust 303 horsepower Cat C l9i CE T engine. Weighing 60,629 pounds, it stays steady on any surface. Its 26.5-foot reach is perfect for handling tall trees, while the 35-inch ground clearance easily clears obstacles. The hydraulic system guarantees peak performance even in the coldest conditions. The Cat 521B is a powerhouse that dominates the toughest winter environments. A logger, fully equipped with safety gear, calmly works to cut a large, uprooted tree, probably felled by strong winds. With a loud boom, the tree quickly falls, kicking up a cloud of dust. Have you seen the new Albach Fellbach? This beast has a 32-meter crane, cuts 80-centimeter trees, and lifts 4 tons. It took down 40-meter poplars with a saw slicing at 30 meters per second. Insane. And the operator never even leaves the cab. That's the barber's chair, and it's the worst nightmare of every lumberjack. Talk about a real close call. The Belarus MTZ 1025 tractor features a strong 105 horsepower engine and reliable 4-wheel drive, making it perfect for tough jobs like logging. With excellent traction and high ground clearance, it performs exceptionally well on rough terrain. V8 speak to you? The Welt W130 and Kessler 25R H-2 are a powerhouse duo, boosting productivity and operator satisfaction. A clear win-win. Their seamless integration makes efficiency effortless, delivering a simple, effective solution. Don't miss out on